झालं. We are going to perform the experiment on PN junction diode. In this experiment, we have to plot the forward and reverse bias characteristic and to determine the cut-in voltage of a semiconductor diode. Okay. So this is the experimental kit in our lab. In this kit, you see the connections. Here, this is a battery. This is potentiometer. Okay. This is voltmeter. This is milliammeter. In milliammeter, there are two ranges. One is for reverse bias, that is in microamperes, and other is in milliampere, that we are using for forward bias. Okay. So initially connections are done. Here I already told you voltmeter is always connected in parallel with the battery and milliammeter is connected in series with the diode. Okay. So you see the connections here. This is battery. Okay. The voltmeter positive terminal is connected to the positive of battery, negative is connected to the negative of the battery, okay, negative terminal of battery. Then positive of diode is that P terminal of diode is connected with the negative terminal of milliammeter, and then positive of milliammeter is connected with the positive terminal of the battery here. Okay. So milliammeter is connected in series and voltmeter is connected in parallel with the battery. Okay. So this is the forward connection. These are the connections in forward bias. Now in forward bias, we have to keep the potentiometer, that voltage range in 0 to 1 volt. Okay. So if you are going on increasing, and milliammeter range is in milliampere, that is 0 to 10 milliampere. So initially, if you are going to increase the voltage, you see here, from 0 to, this is upper scale is, that is 0 to 1 volt, that is 0.1. If you are, I am keeping on 0.1 volt, then that current is not increasing. Now if you are going on increasing, now it is 0.2 volt, then there is a slight change in current. So, and if I increase above 0.2, then it is increasing fast. So up to cut-in voltage, the current does not increase, but after cut-in voltage, the current increases with voltage. Okay. So similarly, we will perform the experiment on in reverse bias connection. So we have to just reverse the connection. This is diode, so which was on earlier. So interchange, we will interchange the connections for reverse bias. Okay. So now we will keep the, for in reverse bias, we will keep milliammeter in microampere range and voltage voltmeter in 0 to 10 volt. Okay. Now if you see here, if I increase the voltage, that is from first it is 0 to 1, that 1 volt, then 2 volt, 3 volt. So here the current increases initially only, and then it saturates. After increasing the voltage also voltage, then current does not increase, so it gets, current gets saturates. Okay. So we have to plot the graph in both reverse and forward bias. See, same experiment can be repeated by using Zener diode also. So here you see, here it is Zener, symbol of Zener diode. So we will do the experiment for Zener diode also. Okay. So in Zener diode, here first we will do in forward bias. Again for forward bias, we will keep in milliampere range, and here voltmeter in 0 to 1 volt. Okay. So in Zener diode, so here if you go on increasing the voltage, okay, this current increases. So with the help of potentiometer.